What is up, YouTube? I have another video for you. So today we are talking about a business that you can start today, and it's pretty simple. Do something you like doing, make some money, and make other people happy at the same time. So the business that we're talking about today is being a barber. So what is being a barber? Well, somebody has to cut your hair, and might as well be a professional, right? So yeah, that's a barber. They get you together, get your face right, they shave, cut, trim, all that. You go to the barber shop. It might even be a nice place to meet up with the guys, hang out, and one thing about getting your hair cut, at the barber shop, you feel great after you get done. It's a professional that's doing your hair. Everything is crystal clear, clean. You got the lines shaped up just how you want it. Unless you pick out a goofy style or it's some barber that's brand new that messed you up, obviously it's free at that point. Hopefully you'll feel real good after that. So being a barber, one, you got to go to school. Most areas. So some people will cut out of their house. They're self-taught and they could be good as well. But if you want to, you want to work at a, business location or, a shop somewhere, you're gonna have to probably go to school. And times are different. It could be a year, it could be 2 years. It just depends on what school you go to. Now, turning this into like an actual business, one, you're gonna probably need some time and practice, and you get comfortable. You start getting these contacts, building up your your list of people that you can actually officially call like your loyal clients. And when it's time for you to you after you saved up some money, go out and branch out on your own, you could be like, hey, you know what, I've got a new location, I'm starting my own business, so I'm letting you can come down here and get your hair cut. One, you can give them a discount, or they're loyal, so they'll probably follow you out there. That's how you get started, and you go from there. Now, money wise, you gotta see how much do you pay for a haircut. Depends on who you are. Some places you can pay $5. Some places it's $100. I average about 25 when if I go. So you gotta think, $20, it takes about a half hour, sometimes 15 minutes to do a haircut. So say $40 an hour. That's not bad for if you compare it to like a traditional 9 to 5, that's pretty decent. You do it 8 hours a day, that's 70, 80 grand a year. It just depends on how much time you want to put in, how much you charge, the additional services that you have, like beards, and you got kids and facial hair and all kinds of stuff. So think about this career, guys. You like cutting hair, you like styling, you like making people feel good about themselves. This could be the business for you. So as I always say, I will have more videos of these coming up. Peace.